Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a review / informative video on a new product or a new company called Whiff. So if you want to see what Whiff is, then just keep watching. So I had a company reach out to me through a kind of like affiliated company. I don't know how to really explain that. And basically I asked if I would be willing to review a product if they send it to me, so I said I would. So basically what the product or what the company is that they're called Whiff. They are a company that provides you with fragrance samples to eventually figure out what is your favorite fragrance to then give you a full size. Let me explain how it works. So basically you set up a profile with them and then they will send you 5 cents. Let me read it from their website so I don't lie. So they call these the sequences and they send it to you through the mail. It contains 5 perfumes. Each perfume will have 3 applications, so that's a total of 15 applications between all of them. And then basically what you do is you narrow it down, and every time you get one of these, you rate the perfumes. And then that way they get an idea of what smells you like, what you like included in your perfume. And then after 6 months, you are able to get a full size for free of a perfume that you like. It would be a 50 milliliter bottle, which is a $59.95 value that you get after the 6 months. Let's see. So if you look at their website, actually I lied. If you look at their website, it says after 12 months you get that. But if you sign up with my code, which is not affiliated, I do not make anything off of it, it's just for you guys. So if you use the code, which I will link it around here, but I'll also just put the link to the website down below. The link or the code I think is my Instagram handle, which is Gigi Sedera, so I'll link that as well. But if you use that, instead of it being $19.95 a month, it'll be $9.95 a month. And then instead of waiting the 12 months to get a full free size, it's 6 months. So let me actually read from my email instead of from the website, since the pricing and the time frame is different. So it says, every 6 months you will have the opportunity to request a full-size perfume bottle of a Whiff custom creation, perfumes created by Whiff's talented perfumist. So they basically take all of the scents that you have said you like, and obviously taking the ones you don't like and not putting them in there, and create the scent for you. So like I said, I will link it down below, the website, and then also the coupon code. And like I said, it is not an affiliated code. I do not make anything off of it. It just basically gives you 50% off. So apparently the process that they have is called scent sequencing, which is a patent pending technology that can analyze millions of combinations to match scents to your individual taste. That's basically, I guess, the gist of it. So mine is not geared towards anything. I did not do any kind of profile because I was sent this for free. So these aren't necessarily going to be everything that I would want, only because, like I said, since this was being sent to me, I didn't fill out any kind of application saying what kind of stuff I would have liked. So let's just go ahead. Oh, I even hate when that does that. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it looks like, okay, oh, I get it. Marc Jacobs Daisy. I've always wanted to try that. I love perfumes, but they're so expensive, so I rarely buy a lot of them. I have currently 2 of them that I'm going back and forth between, but one of them's almost gone, and I hate that because they're so expensive. Plus, there's just way too many to pick from, so this for me is awesome. So I guess what it looks like is they come in 3 separate packets for each one, and there is 5 in here. So the ones they gave me are by House of Nights, and it's Fleur de l'Air. I can't speak French. So there's 3 of this kind. There is, oh, I don't know how to say this company name. It's BEKAH, and it's called the fragrance Moment. This package smells so good. All right, then I have the brand VYK, and it's the fragrance London. And then there is the brand Dawn Kieffer. It's Kiefer, and it's the fragrance Persuasion. And then I have Marc Jacobs, and it's Daisy is the the fragrance. So basically what they're saying is you can take these on the go anywhere you want because they're in these individual packages, which even if I didn't want a full size, I like this option. But some fragrances, you know, they don't last too long, so it would be nice to be able to just carry it with you. So I'm gonna try the Marc Jacobs one because I've been wanting to try this kind forever anyways. So it basically just says you open this and there's supposed to be a cloth in there. So it looks like each one of these fragrance carriers, is what they call it, has 0.5 milliliters per whiff, which equates to, I guess, 7 sprays. So I'm just gonna open this, and then it says you take out the cloth. Ooh. Oh, already I love that smell. Okay. So then you take out the cloth, and it says just to put it to your pressure point, so I'll put it here, and this is soaked. Put it on my neck, so I just smell good. Oh, it smells so good. That smells really good. I kind of really want a full size of this already. So honestly, if you could find a way to put this in something else other than this so that it could stay, you know, sealed up, you could probably even use this again. Like, it's still pretty wet. So honestly, I would try using them more than just the time that they recommend. But so far, so good. I really like the concept of this company, that you're able to get the sample sizes and then, you know, at the end of at 6 months be able to get a custom one that would match the kind of scents that you like. I really think that concept is really cool. And I'm not trying to promote my code or anything, but I wouldn't want to pay $19.95 honestly for myself a month, but paying $9.95 I could do. So I would definitely use the code just because you get it 50% off. Like I said, I don't make anything on that. So I'm not trying to say that for making money. I'm saying that so you save money. But yeah, so far I think this product is really great. I have no complaints about it. I actually, when I heard about it, I thought I was gonna hate these little packages, but I didn't. I thought it was gonna be like liquid in here and you just had to like put it on. And so that's why when I was thinking about it, I was like, ooh, I'm not gonna like this. But the fact that it's on a cloth, I actually do like it, and because they're so small, I could just put them in my purse and take them with me. So I actually really do like that, and I'm shocked because I thought I was gonna hate it. So that's all I have for this video. Sorry it's so short, but yeah. So I guess I'll just see you in my next video.